Hey, we're here at the Quarry Bluff trailhead in Killbuck, Ohio. Turn around here so you can see it's right where 621 comes out and meets 520. So if you come out 621 right out of Killbuck, you'll run right into it. Can't miss it. So we're going to take a walk up the trailhead and take a look at all the different things, get a bunch of pictures and things of what it's like up there. At the top, there is the old quarry, which is really very cool. So let's go ahead and head up there. Let me turn. This is the sign you'll see. Can't miss it. So let's go ahead. Let's head up the path. Come along with me. It's going to be fun. You know, as we start up the Quarry Bluff here, I did an AI overview, read it. It was very mechanical. Didn't really care for it. It's just not my style. So I'm just going to ramble on here a little bit and tell you about the bluff here. So as you walk up, you're going to notice that it is a narrow path. And the really neat thing is that you've got the stones, you've got the moss, you've got the woods. It's not handicap accessible. So keep that in mind. There are some narrow paths. Don't be surprised if there's a tree laying across here and there. But I'll tell you what, you get up to the top of the bluff here where the quarry was and where they've stone have been pulled out and they did all of the mining up here. It is really, really cool. I mean, you can still see the tool marks. You can see some of the blocks are still up there. And just imagine how much work it took to break off nice chunks of the sandstone or cut it and then transport it clear down this hill. It's 200 feet up to the top. It's not a real easy walk, but it is rewarding. When you get up there, you can look way over the valley. You're looking down into the swampy area down there, and there's turtles and geese and trumpeter swans and beaver, muskrat, all kinds of critters down there. Lots of different things to see as you walk down through there. We'll go and we'll do a turtle pond walk a little later on, which is another part of this Killbuck Preserve. It's really, really neat. Now, as you go up to the quarry, and then the path goes through the quarry and then comes back down a different way. And it's got a little zigzag path, which is really, really cool. Remember to check and make sure you don't have any ticks on you when you get out. I guess the most impressive thing is just that they mined this out, brought all those stones down, but the view from up there is just amazing. It's worth the walk up. You start off with a thin path, you move on to a drive that will take you to the top, and then a drive that kind of takes you back down. So you've got some nice walking there. Then a little zigzag path, and you come right back down to where you started. So it says it's a mile up and around. You'll work up a good sweat, get a lot of good steps in, but it's really a pretty view and something to take the time. And it's right outside of Killbuck. If you go past the gas station and just keep on going straight, you're going to run right into it. They are doing improvements on the bottom area down there. So there's going to be a boat launch ramp for kayaks and different things like that. So we'll cover all that with the turtle pond in another episode. So if you enjoy these, make sure you like and subscribe. Also, make sure you jump over to Facebook to Amish Country Views by Scott Stallman. So over there, we put out a lot of pictures just like we do here. And also there's daily posts and just lots of things that are happening in Holmes County. So if you like Holmes County Amish Country, jump over there, check that out. And if you're watching on Facebook, make sure you jump over to YouTube, over to the HCOandMORE channel. HCO stands for Holmes County, Ohio. Have a lot of other videos over there, shorts and things like that. So make sure you jump over and check out all things Holmes County. And we appreciate you watching and enjoying these videos. And if there's anything you'd like to see, throw it in the comments. But like I said, like and subscribe. It really does help me out. So I appreciate that. Thank you.